Good morning, friends. Today we are going to learn about reshape an array in Numpy. So I will create an array, import Numpy as np dot arrange of 6. So it will create a array 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now let us name this as A. Now let us find the shape of this array. Okay. Now I want to reshape this array. Okay. For that I use a method called reshape of. Okay. Now you have to mention the new shape here. So new shape is always in the form of tuple. So write tuple and mention your shape. I want 3 comma 2. Sorry, 3 comma 2. See here. So the same array is reshaped as 3 comma 2. So the array is A. Now let's print this A here. Yeah, this is A, and the shape of this array is 6 comma. So I converted this 6 comma into 3 comma 2 by using reshape method. So in this way you can reshape an array using reshape method. Okay. Now good morning, friends. Today we are going to learn about concatenating array in NumPy. Import NumPy as np dot array 1 comma 2 comma 3. Okay. Now let us name it as A. Now we are going to create another array B, np dot array 4 comma 5 comma 6. Now I'm going to concatenate these two arrays using method called concatenate. Okay. C is np dot concatenate of A comma B. Now let us print C. See here, in this way you can concatenate two arrays using concatenate method. That's all. Now we are going to learn about sorting. Okay. Now I am creating another array D np dot array 6 1 9 2 5. Okay. So this array is not having any order. Now let us sort this array. Okay. You can sort this array using sort method. Okay. And np dot sort of D. Now run this. See here 1 2 5 6 9. So in this way you can sort an array using sort method. Okay. Now this is about sort method and concatenate method. Now, now we are going to reshape an array. So in the previous video, we discussed about shape of an array. So let us create one more array import. Sorry. So let us say D is np dot array. Okay. 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 4 comma 5 4 comma 5, and this is entirely embedded into a single array. Okay, now print this D. So this is D here. Okay, so now what is the shape of this D? D dot shape. So there are three sets, three lists. So 3 into, so how many elements in each set? In each list? 2. So 3 into 2. 3 comma 2 is its shape. Okay. 3 comma 2 is its shape. See how many are there? 1, 2 and 3, and each is having 2. So 3 comma 2. Now can I reshape this array? Now I want to reshape as 2 comma 3. That means I want two lists each having 3 elements. So for that you can reshape by using a method called reshape.